Now we're starting the week off in major red territory. The indices are down across the board. I see the Dow Jones actually down almost 400 points right now. Now Jerome Powell did do an interview with 60 Minutes yesterday evening. If you didn't watch that interview, I strongly suggest taking a look at it. However, investors are not liking what they heard. So let's go ahead and jump into the economic calendar and see what else is in store for this week. Now to kick off this week at 9:45, we did have some PMI data coming out. However, I think that's all been overshadowed with what's going on in the market right now and the Federal Reserve's interest rate decisions going forward. As you can see here, as we scroll through the week, a lot of Fed presidents are set to speak this week here. Tuesday, starting with U.S. trade deficit. However, Fed governors speak once again. By that afternoon, we do have some consumer credit data coming out. And then on Thursday, starting the morning, we do have initial jobless claims, wholesale inventories, along with the Richmond Fed president. And Friday, we have CPI seasonal factor revisions. And to finish the week, we do have Dallas Fed President Lori Logan speaking. Now, with most of the Magnificent Seven stocks already reporting earnings, this week, actually, we've got earnings across the board here, lots of different industries and sectors. So let's take a look and see what we have in store. Starting off, we got McDonald's here, Caterpillar, pharmaceuticals giant Vertex. In addition to that, we do have NXP Semiconductors, along with popular names such as Palantir Technologies and ON Semiconductors. Now going into Tuesday, we've got Eli Lilly, Toyota Motor Group, UBS, Gilead Sciences, Pfizer, Chipotle, and the Ford Motor Company. Now, when it comes to Wednesday, we're starting off with Alibaba, Walt Disney, Uber Technologies, CVS, even got names like ARM Holdings, that's one of my personal favorites, PayPal, O'Reilly Automotive, and down below, if you take a look, we got more of a speculative play here, Roblox Corporation reporting. Now, Thursday, we've got Philip Morris, ConocoPhillips, AstraZeneca, Duke Energy, Brookfield Corporation, Hershey Company, and for my gamers out there, we've got Take-Two Interactive. Now to close this week, we are starting the day off with PepsiCo Inc., trucking giant Magna International, and in the list I did find Canopy Growth, so if you're holding marijuana stocks, definitely keep an eye on their earnings going forward. Now we do have a lot of big earnings coming out this week. However, I have a feeling that might be overshadowed. Unless they're phenomenal results, I think investors are more focused on what the Federal Reserve is going to do later this year and if interest rate cuts are still even in the picture. That being said, make sure you subscribe to the channel so that way we can keep you updated going forward.